What's your name?
My name is Mango.
Mango.
Yeah.
And what kind of business do you do?
We specialize in laser CNC equipment machine in Pakistan. We have a branch office in Pakistan and do the sales work and backup after sales work for the local customers.
Okay. So, Avis, your experience in Pakistan. How do you feel being in Pakistan? What
I
is?
feel comfortable here, and I think from the government relationship, China and Pakistan are close friends,
Mhm.
and also I think most of the local customers, uh, they are kind-hearted and very nice to the Chinese people.
Mm. So, what do you think about the human potential and the market potential in Pakistan? What do you think the Pakistani people and the Pakistani youth are strong and potential? They can do anything and they can work for a long time.
I think in the past few years, there is some development in the economy.
Mm.
In my personal opinion,
Mm.
agriculture industry, there is a potential
Mm.
future
Mm.
because we have a lot of agriculture machinery customers.
Mm.
They purchase more and more machines every year. That means I think in this field,
Mm.
agriculture field, there is big potential. But also some other metal processing industry, I think they just improve day by day.
Mm.
Yeah, not so fast, slowly, but I think maybe in the following 2 or 3 years,
Mm.
there will be a rapid development.
Mm. What do you suggest for to Chinese businessmen? Should they come and invest in Pakistan?
I think the Chinese investigators or the Chinese enterprise, you have to choose the suitable
Mm.
industry, and then to put energy, money,
Mm.
time here,
Mm.
because most of the Pakistani customer they will focus on quality and backup.
Mm.
So you have to make a long-term plan
Mm.
for your business.
Mm. So, what do you think about the future of CPEC?
CPEC, I think after the coronavirus situation is not so serious,
Mm.
and then I'm sure Chinese government will open the gate
Mm.
again.
Mm.
So in that time, the CPEC will make a more and more important role during the
Mm.
Pakistan and China, so mutual business relationship with each other.
Mm. Do you think it is improved than in the last 2 3 years? What kind of improvements do you see practically on the ground? People talk about CPEC all the time, but some people claim that they do not see the real time factors here. The real situation is not like that. What do you observe and what do you suggest?
I think I cannot say it is the truth or not, because in different industries, different situation.
Mm.
As in the general speaking, it is because of the coronavirus situation.
Mm.
So there is some block,
Mm.
no matter in the business investment
Mm.
or the business travel.
Mm.
So I think maybe some enterprise they
Mm.
just postpone their plans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pakistan is proved that they are always so cooperative, especially on priority basis to Chinese people
Hmm.
and Chinese companies. We welcome them all the time. But what kind of problems do you Chinese people feel and they have in Pakistan, living in Pakistan? What kind of problems do you have, especially
The,
all the Chinese
so this
community?
is not my complaint,
Uh,
but
you can suggest them just
yeah,
to let
because
them
so
improve.
one is the government efficiency.
Mm.
Sometimes maybe in China it takes 3 months to do this.
Mm.
In Pakistan, maybe it takes 1 year.
Mm.
So that means I know some of my Chinese friends, the investors,
Mm.
they get the approval of the local land
Mm.
used 1 year, but in China just 1 month finished.
Mm, 1 month.
So
Yeah.
so this one is the government working efficiency.
Mm.
Second is I think there must be some loose policy from the government to the business
Community.
people in Pakistan.
Mm.
So then they have been more confidence to do some business with the Chinese enterprises.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So people think that CPEC is only a bilateral cooperation of Chinese and Pakistani people. What do you suggest other countries that they should invest in Pakistan or not? What will be their future investment? What will be their return on their investment?
I think the other foreign countries,
Mm.
you have to find a potential industry or field that in Pakistan there is you will got a lower production cost
Mm.
and then a little higher profit,
Mm.
and this product is lack of supply in your country. You have
Mm.
to find the suitable
Mm.
way, and there's this.
You have to do some research and then
Yes,
you
of
can
course.
start any kind of business.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
do you think that this CPEC is for the other countries investors too? It can play an important
Yeah,
role
I
in.
think if we just brought this meeting and
Mm.
brought this conference
Mm.
and to invite some other countries, enterprise and investors come, I think they will be more efficient.
Mm.
Yeah.
What kind of message do you have for Imran Khan?
uh, I think Imran Khan is trying to do his best
Uh,
to improve the economy of Pakistan and also to develop some close relationship with China.
mm.
And I think he tries best. He
Mm.
tries best. As you know, the local situation is complicated,
Yeah.
but I think we believe the future will be bright.
Yeah, we hope so. What kind of message? We are working for Pak China Window.
Hmm.
So I've spent 2 years in China learning Chinese and
Yeah,
meeting
that's
some
good.
other people. So we are working for the community Pak China Window to let Chinese know that there is potential.
Hmm.
So what kind of message do you have in Chinese? You can speak in Chinese to your Chinese friends. So let them know, let them understand. So many Chinese cannot understand English. So you can give them a message, warm welcome to Pakistan in Chinese.
Okay.
You can tell them the potential market, the item, the factory, what kind of business should they take it and come in Pakistan.
我个人的建议就是，如果大家有意到巴基斯坦来投资或者是做一些商务合作的话，首先呢，你要去关注巴基斯坦的农业，巴基斯坦的农业还是相对的市场比较大。再就是它的 fruit，它的水果的市场啊，它这边有很好的一些水果。然后呢，中国可能相对来说，价格会比较高，这种价格差，然后加上它的运输便利，可以去做一些水果的生意。另外就是这边的一些工业的基础工业，我们讲，比方说一些钢铁的加工以及金属材料加工是他们的短板，还不是它的长项。所以说，如果有这方面优势的一些企业这种生产优势或者是有设备优势的企业，可以考虑去做一些这方面的一些投资或者是商务合作其他的因为我不是太了解，我就不多说了，谢谢。
So the last question, what do you know about Balochistan? Do you know something about Balochistan and Gwadar?
Yeah.
Because this route is from Kashgar to Gwadar.
Uh-huh.
So do you know something, what kind of role Balochistan government plays in the CPEC?
I don't know so much about Balochistan, but we have Quetta customer.
You have
We have already, yeah, we have sold our machines and equipment to Quetta area already. So I think it's a sensitive area, and in the Chinese people's mind, Balochistan is a very dangerous place.
But
Province.
it's not dangerous.
But the Chinese,
I'm from Balochistan.
yeah, the Chinese ambassador is forbidding Chinese people to go into this kind of place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you know about Gwadar?
Guada, I know it's the potential port, but the process is
Slow.
too slow.
Uh-huh.
Too slow. If we can push it and then move forward fast and fast, if we can develop this
City.
city, this port,
This has
great
potential.
Yeah, I think it will be another
Opportunity. for-
another Shenzhen city in China, just
Shenzhen
like in
city.
China.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
a great future, but we have to move
Push them.
fast.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay, thank
Nice
you.
meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.